That's video. That's video. You got that in video.
Oh yeah, we got it.
Anyways, I'm gonna try to kneel down because it's tight.
That's so cute.
So I'm gonna do this real quick. My knees are killing me, but this is a cockatoo. That is from library class. And this is another bird. This is the same bird as the other one.
Yeah, listen to you guys.
Oh my god! Wow! Hello! They all want the attention now. Look at this too. They're all.
There's the one Brianna's afraid of. It's Joey. Joey claims Brianna said somebody, his owner, dragged her in the cage. Oh, Joey. And this is... I don't know your name. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Hello. 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 Yeah. Hello. Hello. You were ringing that big bell. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Look at this one. It's kind of pink. Look at you. You're orangish pink. Wow. There's Brianna making her way.
Did you record me running?
Yeah, like a 2-minute recording.
Did you record me running?
No, I didn't get your... Oh, away from the birds?
Yeah. Let's go by the dogs and feed them.
Alright.
Let's go check out our girlfriend. Get it? Okay, I know how to open this sucker because
there's 2 hooks, so... Oh, you got it.
And I probably almost bruised my finger. I'm trying not to open it all the way. So let me try to get her.
I don't think they're going too far, Brianna.
Come here, honey. Come here, Mama. Stop up. Stop up. Stop up.
You're going to have to grab them from around their back. Yep, go ahead. That's yours.
You want to get behind me?
Yeah, that's Angel. Yep, you got it, Brianna. Pick it up. Try to hold her wings. She's fine.
Oh my god.
Try to hold her wings. Like this. If I were to grab you, just hold her so she feels comfortable. She's too far now.
Oh. Come here. Come here, honey. Come here, Angel.